I'm Damien Roy and welcome on my Guitar Lesson YouTube channel. First thing you can do is subscribe to my Guitar Lesson channel. Thank you. Second thing, like the video. And the third thing, please ring that bell so you receive notifications of all my video lessons there. So today we're going to work on how to choose the right notes when you're starting a guitar lick, depending on what chord you're playing on. We'll take example in the blues in A here, so I'll be playing A7, D7, and after E7. And of course I'll be playing the A minor pentatonic, but also be using, especially on the A7 sometimes, the A major pentatonic. Also, some arpeggios sometimes, some notes of the arpeggios of each chord, the 7 arpeggios. Let's start with all those different easy blues licks you're going to have right here.